think that's it, guys. I think it's time to edit my next viral masterpiece video. Perfect location for that. I have my laptop. Oh. Oh. Oh, fuck. This is, Hi guys, what's up? Next project, bed. Actually bed frame. Our old one, it's about 10 years old. It's very poor quality. So instead of buying a new one, I will make one. I can maybe save some money. Just maybe I can save some money. I'm not going to use any fancy wood. I will use just the basic wood. One thing what I have to take care of is the height of this frame. Some time ago I built this kind of box under our bed, which has wheels and you can move it out and back in. And because of that, this frame has to be minimum 20 centimeters high. I will start with the feet. I could do this very easy way, but I want to have something different, something special. And these pieces of wood, these are only for these feet. And I will start cutting these smaller pieces, and then I will do some gluing, and then you can soon see what I have in my mind. Feet. Yes, I know it might look a little bit strange now, but it's getting better. It's getting better. And hopefully later it will make sense. I have to do these two sets at a time, because I don't have enough good clamps. So I will let these dry sometime, and next time when I have time I will do two more. I have this vision in my mind. Hopefully I can make it happen. Hopefully I can make it happen. It's been now drying about an hour and a half. Let's see. Let's see. I think it looks pretty good. Obviously, I want to make these a little bit round, and of course sanding and make it look pretty. Okay, I think that's enough for today. I have now these feet, 4 pieces, and these are actually pretty much ready to go. Obviously sanding and finish. But yeah, now I have to go to do something else. See you guys next time. Bye.